everyone! Welcome to the Animate unboxing video with Julia and Carla.
Okay, Julia. In a nutshell, Animate is an adult small group resource that you can use to put like a 7-week small group together and talk about some really interesting stuff.
Love it.
How's that?
I love it. Let's do that.
That was super short.
Okay.
Show everybody.
Should we unveil? 3, 2, 1. Wow!
And it's so purdy too.
So pretty.
I think we should sit, Julia.
We should get cozy. Yeah. Okay.
All right. So here it is. Here's Animate. So this is the product system. There's a video, a participant journal, and a leader guide. So I'm going to talk about each of the 3 of these and kind of how they work together.
Sure.
So the video is kind of the heartbeat of this whole baby.
Okay.
So every let's call them classes, just to have a language, okay?
Yes, classes.
Every small group meeting, whatever, you're gonna watch a video together, and it's about 7 minutes long.
Wow. 7 weeks, 7 minutes?
7 weeks,
Wow,
7 minutes.
Okay.
It's the holy number.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you're gonna watch the video together, and the videos are this cool kind of illustrated, it's like a live person, and then like kind of whiteboard illustration behind them. That was done by our friend Paul Supasay. The video features these practitioners and like really interesting, great people that you'd have to pay a lot of money to have come to your church.
Like who?
Like Brian McLaren, like Mike Slaughter, Phyllis Tickle, who is no longer with us, but who's amazing. Shane Hips, Shane Claiborne is in here, Sarah Miles, Rachel Held Evans, Inuma Okoro, like all these people who are so interesting to hear from and who have lots of great things to talk about. And so each of them takes a week and talks to you about like their topics. So all of these are kind of these practices that Faith Media goes through.
The video kind of leaves you with questions to
so then you watch the video and then you get to go through this handbook together. So this little journal, and the journal is so beautiful.
Feels like a oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's like a moleskin. It's like the super high-end journal.
Like the kind that you want to just hold on to forever.
Yeah, and so you go through here and it's got places to write, places to doodle if you want to.
Cool.
And questions to talk about as a group. And then the facilitator guide is super accessible and easy. It shows the same thing that the participants are looking at, and then offers like a few extra like discussion questions or ways to take the conversation
so
deeper.
If you're feeling dry,
so this is you don't have to like spend a week preparing to facilitate one of these classes.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So Carla, when you get through,
what are you gonna do next?
All the 7 weeks, what are you gonna do next?
Try the next one.
Oh!
So there are 3 versions of Animate. Yeah. Each of them are 7 weeks. This is Animate Practices, and then there's Animate Bible and Animate Faith. And again, all 3 of them, same model, same like watch the video, hear from this great person.
Beautiful feeling journal.
Yep, talk about it together, use the facilitator guide, and you got yourself a small group.
Wow, incredible. So if you haven't left this video yet to go look at Animate products, I would suggest that you leave now and go press the link that's in the description.
Before they're gone.
Before they're gone. All right, guys.